Good afternoon, everybody, from World Showcase here in Epcot. We are here in the Italy Pavilion. I'm joined once again by Becca.
Hello.
She's been in the past 2 videos. We did a cowfish review with her. We did Grand Destino Tower review with her. Lovely, lovely time. Today, we are in Epcot once again for a food review, but not just any food review. In my humble opinion, this is the best pizza in all of Walt Disney World property. Becca's never been?
No.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. Good pizza, good company.
Perfect. Enjoy, everyone, as we check out Via Napoli.
Does he have an official name?
No, let's name him.
Frank.
Frank?
Frank the donkey.
This is Frank the donkey. Look at all the pizza merch.
I know, isn't it cute?
They have pizza mini ears.
Here, let me
Oh, there you go.
You want to model them?
I'm not gonna model them. You can model them. I actually have a girl in my videos, so we can try on mini ears.
Aren't they cute?
I normally just point the camera at them. They look great. I like that they have like the little ingredients and stuff on them. That's
like
so
for
fun.
Pizza. Very good for the
That's
video.
very fun. And if you want a matching bag, they have the pizza bag, which Beck is also nice enough to model. Well, bam. Well, bam. And check it out. Check it out. Hidden Mickey, Hidden Mickey, Hidden Mickey. All over the bag. Super fun. What are we thinking?
Yeah.
Can I pull it off? Does it help if I show you how cool the back is? Look at that. So the time now is about 1:30, and I think it is time for us to head on in. So there's 3 ovens here in Via Napoli. They have Stromboli, Vesuvio, and Etna, and all 3 are named after the 3 large volcanoes in Italy. Those things can cook a pizza in under 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes! Can you believe it? Alright. So, taking a look at the menu. I'm gonna go to all day menu. Here's some of the appetizers. They have calamari, mozzarella caprese, garlic fussier, garlic knots. Pretty sure we're gonna get some of those. They got a Caesar salad that you can add chicken or shrimp to. They have a house salad, which is very nice. They have a spinach ravioli. They have spaghetti. They have tortellini. They have a chicken parmesan. They've got green beans and fingerling potatoes for sides. And then what we're here for though is the pizzas. As you can see, they have a small that's individual. They have a large that serves 2 to 3 people. They have a extra large that serves 3 to 4, and that's on all of the pizzas. As you can see, they have a margarita pizza. They've got quattro formaggi. They've got a prosciutto pizza. And for desserts, they also have a tiramisu, a cannoli, some cheesecake, just stuff like that. As for the beverages, they've got a lot of alcoholic options, like over here with Grey Goose. They got some blood orange vodka. They have gin, they have bourbon, they have rum, tequila. They've got a pretty good mix. They have strawberry daiquiri. They have a lot of beers on tap as well, like Blue Moon, Bud Light, stuff like that. You can also do a beer flight, which is very interesting. Some of the authentic Italian beers. They have some sangria. Very, very nice selection. We are here for the pizza. The best pizza on property, in my opinion. And I was thinking about getting the pizza that serves 2 to 3 people because we are a little bit hungry. But what we are also saying on the website, we might have to ask about this, is that the individual is a 10-inch pizza. That's like a normal sized pizza. The pizza here is humongous. What are we thinking? Should we get the individual, do you think?
Probably, since we're gonna get some of those garlic knots.
We're definitely gonna get some of the garlic knots, and the individual will give us enough slices each that it'll at least hold us over, and we'll have enough food to review for you all. This is the garlic
Cocacula.
I know we were saying garlic knot earlier, but we just literally could not say that word. Still can't. Garlic starts with an F, Italian word. Any Italians watching, please feel free to correct us. I'm gonna say garlic knot, even though it's probably closer to garlic bread. Rebecca, take a peek. We had a very small breakfast. We had 1 donut each. Naturally, walking around World Showcase and already helping ourselves to a margarita, we were a little bit hungry. So, Rebecca took a bite of it. What do we think? Is it good bread?
Yeah, they put olive oil on it.
So, it tastes like bread with olive oil.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, if you've ever been to like Macaroni Grill, and they do a similar thing, I feel like it's pretty similar to that.
Fair enough. The theming is slightly above Macaroni Grill.
Yeah, absolutely.
And this is the individual sized quattro formaggi white pizza that we got. She did come around with Parmesan and crushed red pepper. We only got crushed red pepper on my side because Rebecca is not too into spicy, but did want Parmesan, so. Alright. These slices are gigantic.
Huge.
Look at that.
It's so good.
Is it really good?
It's so good.
I actually haven't had this one. I've had the Italian sausage red pizza. I've never had a white pizza here, which I'm excited about.
I like that it's meat-free. I don't need a ton of meat, so that's pretty good. The cheese on it is really good quality. Although Jack knows a lot more about cheese than I do, but it's pretty tasty. How do you feel about it,
I'm a cheese connoisseur, and this is very, very good. And I'm actually going to go back to the meatless thing that she mentioned. What a good opportunity to point out for vegetarian diets as well. Vegetarian, pescatarian, obviously with the cheese, not vegan, but vegetarian, pescatarian. I'm not either one. You guys have seen me eat ribs and chicken wings on the channel, but it is nice to point out different dietary needs when I find them.
Absolutely. I used to be a vegetarian. This is definitely something I would have ordered when I was a vegetarian for sure.
Absolutely. So overall, I'm kind of going off of Rebecca's opinion before, more than anything. I'll give my own, but this was her first trip to Via Napoli.
Right.
Overall impressions. Did you like it? How was the food? How was the theming? What do you think?
It was really good. The food was good. Once the waitress got over to us, our food didn't take very long. The garlic bread was really good. I didn't think it was garlicky enough, but it was still good. The oil on it was great. The pizza itself was good. Maybe a little greasy, but I don't love greasy pizza a lot. But overall, the cheese was really high quality. Really enjoyed that. The company was perfect, and it was a good experience overall. I don't know that it was the most Italian-y themed restaurant I've ever been to, but it's Disney, so I typically trust them. It was really good.
As for me, this is actually my second trip to Via Napoli. I've gone, it's been a good number of years though. I think it was, I filmed my first trip, so if you've been watching me for, it's gotta be like 3 years ago now though. It gets a long time and that vlog is rough, guys. Please don't watch that one. According to you, this is my first trip. I enjoy it. I definitely think, I stand by it. I do think it's the best pizza on property. A lot of the pizza we're gonna get is like pizza rizzo, you know, just junk, nasty, kind of just cheap, usually cheap pizza. This one is a little bit pricier, but as you saw, the slices are gigantic. So we were full. Like we went in hungry and we were full, and we went in, you know, off of the individual, plus we got an appetizer, came off a little over 30 bucks with a good tip and everything like that. I don't suggest an individual for a family of 4, but a family of 4 might be able to get away with a large, which is supposed to serve 2 to 3. So
absolutely, depends on how hungry you are.
Yeah, and it depends on, you know, just how big of a, you know, party you got. You know, if you got a decent sized party, then definitely get the extra large. But
absolutely, and honestly, for the price and for how many people it feeds, I think it's a really good value, especially since Disney food can be kind of expensive. And again, definitely, I agree, it was the best pizza on property.
Absolutely. Would you come back?
Yeah, especially if I had you with me. I think I would definitely be back.
Yeah, I definitely think this is, like I said, my second trip. I would make a third. As for right now, go ahead and subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every single episode. And I will see you guys next time.